Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to make puliyogare powder. For that, first heat a pan. Into this I am going to add a cup of chana dal and dry roast it on medium flame. Dry roast until chana dal turns slightly reddish. Now I am going to transfer roasted chana dal to a plate. Now I am going to add a cup of urad dal to the same pan and dry roast them on medium flame. Dry roast the urad dal until change its color slightly brownish. It's done. Now I am going to transfer this roasted urad dal to the plate. Next I am going to add 2 cups of coriander seeds into the pan. Dry roast it for a while on medium heat. See, coriander seeds are also roasted. Now transfer it to the plate. Here I am adding a cup of sesame seeds to the pan and dry roast it on low flame. Dry roast the sesame seeds until they start crackle. See, sesame seeds are well roasted. It gets transferred to the plate. Now I am going to add in a cup of cumin seeds and dry roast it for a while on low flame. Cumin seeds are well roasted. Now it is transferred to the plate. Now I have taken a quarter cup of black pepper and add it into the pan. Then dry roast it for a few seconds on low flame. Now it's done. Transfer dry roasted black pepper to the plate. And now into this I am also going to add 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's roast it as well on low flame. Fenugreek seeds are well roasted. Now remove it from the pan. Then I am going to add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it roast for a few seconds on low flame. Once mustard starts splutter, immediately transfer it to a plate. Next, let's add in a cup of curry leaves. Let it to roast on medium heat. Roast this properly until it turns crisp. It nicely roasted. Now I am going to transfer it to a plate. Please friends, please support me by subscribing my channel Sai Recipes. Now I put all well roasted ingredients in a plate together to get cool. In this I am going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and also a teaspoon of salt. Now this plate contains all the ingredients needed to make puliyogare powder. 2 cups of coriander seeds, 1 cup of sesame seeds, 1 cup of chana dal, a quarter cup of black pepper, 1 cup of cumin seeds, 1 cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I mix all the ingredients well. Make sure all the ingredients are cooled completely. Now I am going to make powder from it. You can see here puliyogare powder is ready. In the next video, I will show how to make puliyogare paste or puliyogare gojju using tamarind juice, red chili powder, jaggery, dry coconut powder and with this just prepared powder. Thank you so much.